Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. Hope everyone's doing well. We're at the gorgeous St George's Bay in Malta. Let's see Wagwan. So yeah, temperature check is 24 out of 25 and it is lunchtime. So this is the gorgeous Malta. First time for Wagwan to be here and for me and Kirk. So we're all on this little adventure together. Do comment below if you have been here. Do you like it? Where do you like to go? Because we'd love to know. First impressions, we really enjoy it, don't we? Really enjoy it. Flying in was really nice. It was about 3 hours. It was quite crazy actually coming in because it was like I didn't realise it's like a rock. So coming in was quite crazy, and there's like a few different islands spread out on Malta, if that makes sense. We're on like the main part. But yeah, really smooth landing, really nice. And then from the airport we got a bus, and the bus cost for one person $2.66, so for the both of us just over a £5. We also went to Open Waters, which is in a really nice beer garden. We had a Prosecco, which was quite nice, but they do beers, they're about €5.10 for a pint, they're local. And then obviously you have got a beach bar down there as well. But obviously today we're not going to the beach, so we just wanted to kind of be near it, but not on it. There you go, sunbed is €6, sunbed and umbrella. Let's have a look, 10 it looks like. And you just pay at the kiosk. So yeah, really nice and simple. Got some really pretty restaurants as well. We clocked this one as we were sort of having our drinks over here. Really, really nice, right on the water. And then you've got some nice hotels as well. So we are going to try and do some rooftops here, which is kind of what Malta's famous for. So straight above, you've got this one here, Hugo's Terrace, and the Gig, which is there. So yeah, let me know if you've been to St George's Bay. Really, really nice. Lots to do. Like I said, it's our first time here, so we're just sort of exploring for the first time.
Shame about the construction site across the other side, but
yeah,
you know, they've got to build at some point.
So yeah, for us, this is our first time here. Oh, looks like we've got a stag do in the air. Guys gone wild. Yeah, there's a lot of construction going on, which is obviously a good sign. Means that tourists are coming, they're expanding, so might be a good chance to come down. So we're going to pop up that way, and we're going to have a look for some food because we're ready for lunch. You got the hop on, hop off bus tours as well. Right, we're all there going, because I don't know if this music is going to get us copyrighted. But yeah, that's the bar I was talking about. It looks really nice. Hopefully we'll have a drink there. We'll see. Yeah, it's quite a nice mix. As we was like, because we got the bus from the airport, as we was driving in, the architecture already is incredible. We saw lots of like sort of churches and sort of cathedrals. Lots of beautiful sort of apartments, and then you've got these sort of like newer complexes and buildings. So yeah, it's a real nice mix if you do like your sort of new and old and walking around and getting lost in that sort of like just the culture and the architecture. This is a really nice island, I think, to come and do that. Right, so there is a McDonald's. So if anyone is a little bit wary. Also, they drive on the right here. Another really good fun fact. So it's very much like being at home. So if you did want to hire a car, you don't have to stress about remembering to drive on the opposite side. We've got here like a little cafe here. Nice. Even the police look like us, don't they? Yeah. They've got a Costa coffee. I did see like WH Smith's and stuff. So yeah, so At the moment, quite a lot of similarities to at home other than the weather. That smelled quite nice, that chicken.
Nice, cool.
Yeah, let's have a look up here. I think this is like the little bar street, isn't it?
Yeah, Kevin told us about it.
Yeah, so if anyone watches Scotsman, he recommended this area for the evening. Let's check it out during the day. So straight away, guys, there is quite a few stairs going up along here where you've got all the bars. So if you have got mobility issues, just bear that in mind. What is this one? Looks quite cool. Nordic bar. Every day, 7 p.m. till 10 p.m. Happy hour, buy one, get one free. At the moment, we've noticed the price is pretty much the same as what we get at home. Those are little bars. Obviously, we'll film this later tonight, so you guys will see the difference. A lot of it will be open later. Got the Hive Club there. Pasha. This one here as well, Passion Club. Got the Click. Might be a little bit of a strip bar, that one. And then you got Slay the Season. Cuba. Club Class.
I like it's telling people not to litter,
Yeah.
not to drink on the street.
Yeah.
Really good.
It is good. And then we've got a pub in the corner, which looks like anywhere you get home, isn't it, really? What's this one? That's a hotel. So you've got an Irish pub just on the left. Yeah. Burger King straight ahead. Big burger place there, look at that one. Smashed egg. Wow, look at this. We'll go to the front bit with the stairs. Oh, that's like the rainbow.
Lots of attention on the balls.
Got to, the most important part. So this one is very cool. Look how I like the modern with the new. So this is the Museum of Illusions. I wonder how much entry is. Might be something we try and do if we've got time. And then on a bit more of a positive note, we've got some Mr. Dick. Sexy bakery. Well, say no more. Meet me at Mr. Dick. There you go. If anyone's coming to Malta, make sure you make your way to meet me at Mr. Dick's. Right, on that note, we'll see you guys on the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help us out. Thank you. Bye.